Mrs. Kessel. If you are watching this, it's because you are in one of my English classes or you are taking my dramatic arts elective. I just want to start out by saying that I'm very, very excited to meet you. It's unfortunate that you're at home, so I'm going to take some time to introduce myself digitally. This is my 7th year teaching total and my 6th year teaching at Middletown. I am married and I have a dog, and my favorite food is ice cream, specifically Ben & Jerry's, if you're going for a brand name. In my spare time, I really love to read. My favorite genre is probably fantasy, and as far as favorite books, I'm going to have to go with the Harry Potter series. I also like to run in my spare time, and at this point, I've trained and run, I think, 4 half marathons, and I also started training for a marathon last spring before it was canceled by COVID. So reading and running, that's what I do in my spare time. But enough about me, because you probably care more about what class is going to look like. Since I'm only going to be seeing you twice a week, things are obviously going to look very different than how they have in the past. To communicate, we're going to use Zoom, and that's how I will take attendance and give instructions to you every day. We'll also use Canvas, where I will post information, email, so you're going to have to make sure that you're checking your email every day, and also the Remind application, which I will go over how to set that up with you. It's just a way for me to send you text messages to remind you of different assignments. The days that you are in the classroom will be normal days where, I'll be in front of the room and teaching. The days you're at home, you will probably have a video like this to watch or have some other interactive assignment that I've given you instructions on how to complete. You're always going to have to log into Zoom though, because that's how I'm going to take attendance. So as far as assignments go, that goes for today as well. It is the first day of school, so you do have something to do. Hopefully you've already been able to meet me in Zoom, and I gave you instructions to watch this video. If you weren't able to get into the Zoom classroom, just shoot me an email so I know that you at least tried. When you're done watching this video, you're going to go to your Canvas announcements page, or if you can't for whatever reason get into Canvas, I also emailed this information to you. Go into Canvas announcements, and there is a link to a Get to Know You survey. You're going to click on that, and it will open a Google form where there will just be questions that I ask you to answer. Please be honest and take your time with your answers, because I do read through them, and some of the questions are meant for me to get to know you enough that I can be the best teacher possible. The last thing, tomorrow you're going to have a quiz. It's only going to be one question, and the reason you're going to have this one question quiz is to prove to me that that you watched this video. The answer to the question, and I'm not going to give you the question, but the answer to the question is one word, and that word is pickle. So again, the answer to tomorrow's question is pickle. Put that in your brain, remind yourself, and we will be good to go when I see you then. Okay? Take care.